Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Kate, founder of Nodo, and today we are making my absolute favorite crinkle top chocolate brownie. So for this recipe, you're going to need 175 grams of a dark chocolate, 100 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of caster sugar. I'm just using a raw caster sugar here. You're going to also need 95 grams of a plain gluten-free flour and 3 eggs. Don't forget the eggs. Okay, so our first step is we're going to melt our chocolate and butter together. I'm just going to use a double boiler today, but of course you can also use the microwave. Okay, so our chocolate and butter has been melted and we're just going to leave that aside so it cools slightly. I forgot to mention that you will need an electric beater or a KitchenAid for this recipe, because the most important part is to make sure that you whip the eggs and the sugar perfectly so you get that beautiful crinkle top. Okay, so we're just going to add 3 eggs to the mixer. Okay, I'm just going to pop that on a low speed and then slowly add the sugar. And then we're going to increase the speed to like 6. And you really want to make sure that the sugar and the egg you really want to whip it until it's like a pale white color and it's increased in volume. Okay, so I've been whipping that for about 5 minutes on high speed, and you can see how the mixture has increased in volume and it's a nice like white pale color. Okay, so I've just got the mixer on a low speed. I'm just going to slowly pour in the melted butter and chocolate mixture. Okay, last step, we're just going to add the cocoa powder to our flour, and we're just going to sift this into our mix and then just gently fold it in. Okay, so we're just going to pop that in the oven at 150 degrees. Okay, here we have it. Our crinkle top brownie looks and smells delicious. So we're just going to take that out of the tin and then slice into it. Thank you so much for everybody for watching. For the full recipe, please click the link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So you're going to need to whip it for about 5 minutes. So that's been in the oven for 40 minutes. Really wishing that I used a liner right now, because just working out how to get it out of the tin. So don't forget to link and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Is that all right?